Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well with you guys. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for subscribing. Today, I'm going to be showing you 3 different high ponytail hairstyles using braiding hair. They're really quick, easy, and simple, and anyone can do it. So let's jump right into the first one. I begin by doing some hair flips just to get myself pumped. Maybe a little too many because I got myself dizzy. Now that I'm through being silly, I'm going to loosely place the hair atop my head and secure it with a hair tie. I'm going to take a brush and get those stubborn hairs in the back. Then I'm going to go in with some Hicks edge control and place a generous amount around the perimeter of my head, making sure not to forget the back. I'm going to use the brush again to smooth it all in. As you can see, the back is still being stubborn, so I needed reinforcement. I used the protein styling gel and placed that just in the back. I'm brushing it and smoothing it all in. Now I'm going to use a comb to comb out any of the bumps or lumps that may have formed. The brush again, my best friend for this hairstyle. I want it as smooth as possible. And once I like it, I'm going to wrap the hair tie around 3 times, tight enough so it's not pulling on my edges. I'm going to separate it into 2 sections. Roll one section around and wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And then use a hair clip to secure it. Now I'm going to use Sassy braiding hair in the color 1B. I'm using 2 packs. It smelled okay. Placing them together, once you remove the rubber bands, you're going to take one rubber band and place it around both under and through. I know that was kind of fast, but just make sure you put it how you found it and even out the hair. Take the whole contraption and place it around your bun and wrap it around one more time. Then I flip the hair over. You're going to use a bobby pin to anchor it down. Use more than one. I only used one because I was going to take it out to do another tutorial in 10 minutes. Now you're going to take the other half of your hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail, covering the rubber band. Because I didn't anchor it down with more than one bobby pin, it shifted a little, but that's okay. I'm just using another bobby pin to keep that in place. So we're going to go back in with a section of the braiding hair to hide that rubber band that's peeking through. Have to make sure and cover up all the tricks. Just make sure that bun is hidden. And once we've wrapped it around, we're going to take another bobby pin, get the hair out of my eye, take another bobby pin and secure that. This hair gets everywhere, guys. Now you want to take out any tangles that you may have had in the hair, and you're just going to shape it and lay it just how you'd like it. Now you can wear it out just like this, but I needed to go in and lay my edges down. Now baby hairs are not mandatory, but I just think it adds that je ne sais quoi, if you know what I mean. So this you can just do to your liking, shape them whichever way you'd like. And I'm doing my sideburns. If you guys haven't already noticed, I'm a little bit furry. I lovingly refer to myself as furry because I'm so hairy. And it's winter time, so don't wonder why I'm not shaving it. Leave my hair alone. That's for the haters. And that's it. Here you have the first look. You can go out just like this. You guys know I have to dance, right? Like, I have to. Can't tell me nothing. Get it, girl. No, don't got it. That's okay. So here I'm using a bracelet that I bought from a prom store for $30. You can get one on eBay or Amazon for cheaper. And it just adds a little pizzazz. I really love this look, and this one is my go-to style. Alright girl, feel yourself. Okay, we get it. Oh, okay. That's how you serving it? Now I'm just using another bracelet, a metal one, and it just gives a different look. That's it guys, that's the end of look 1. For the second look, I'll be showing you how to achieve a jumbo braid. Once my hair was in a ponytail, I used a mesh head wrap to keep those baby hairs laid. I detangled the ends of my hair, then I went in with the ultra braiding hair in the color 2T1B30. Straight out the pack, I used that same rubber band to pull my hair through. And then I wrapped it around once more. Now that it's anchored to my head, I'm going to take a section of the braiding hair, a small section, and I'm going to 3-strand plait that, or as most of you say, braid. Now this could be an overhand or underhanded braid, it really doesn't matter, just a matter of personal preference. Now this hair tangles a lot, so just be patient with it. I decided one pack wasn't enough, so I went ahead and added a second pack. And just like before, I pulled my ends through and then wrapped the rubber band around once more. Now we're talking. So I just have to find that plait that I lost and get it out of the way. So for this braid, you're going to separate your hair and the braiding hair into 3 sections each. And again, you can overhand or underhand braid this. It's just a regular braid. I find it helps to keep a steady pace. It helps with the uniformity of the braid. This is a very easy style, guys. Anyone can do it. Now the ends of this here is very thin and it wasn't to my liking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fatten it up a little bit. I used a rubber band to secure the ends of the hair. Lastly, I took the small plait and wrapped it around the base of the ponytail just to hide the hair tie. Then I used my best friend, the bobby pin, to secure that. Once I removed the mesh wrap, that's it. I was ready to go. I didn't like the black lipstick anymore, so I changed it for a red, which I prefer with this look better. Now I'm feeling myself. Quick and easy 5-minute hairstyle. For the third and final look, I'm going to show you how I achieved a jumbo fishtail braid. I'm using the 2 packs of hair from the very first ponytail. I'm taking those ends and feathering them out to get rid of any bluntness. So like before, I'm pulling my ends through the rubber band and wrapping it around once more. I'm tired. It was 3 a.m. in the morning, guys, but I was determined to do this tutorial. Here I'm taking a section of my hair and 2-strand twisting it. My camera died, but I just wrapped it around the base of my ponytail. Here I separated my hair and the braiding hair into 2 even sections. And I'm going to take a piece from the outside, cross it over, and bring it to the inside of the opposite section. Outermost piece, cross it over to the middle of the opposite section. An outermost piece to the inside of the opposite section. Now this hairstyle took the longest out of the whole bunch. The other two, it's literally like 5 minutes. But this one, I would say 15 to 20 minutes because it is a tedious process. It might look complicated, but I promise you it's not. I believe in you. Try it out. It's worth it. Just take your time. One more time, we take an outer piece, cross it over to the middle of the other side, an outermost piece to the middle of the opposite side, an outermost piece to the middle of the opposite side. I really hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Here I'm just decorating the braid with some hair jewelry I bought on Amazon, but you may find it at any local beauty supply store near you. Once I remove the wrap and set those edges free, the look is complete. There you have it, a jumbo fishtail braid. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Comment 1, 2, or 3 below to let me know which one was your favorite. Bye!